This is website number 1. It's generating over 1.2 billion traffic or views every single month. This is website number 2. This generating 327 million organic traffic every single month. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step method for affiliate marketing for beginners using this free organic traffic to make money online. This is one of my method. So watch the video until the end for the full tutorial and all the free tools that you can available to use worldwide without investing any money at all, guys. So if you watch the video until the end, if you really like this video, leave a like and then leave a comment where you're from so I can make a video for you guys. First, what you have to do, go to Clickbank. If Clickbank is not available, you can use any affiliate network like Digistore24 or JVSO, or you can use Max Bounty. It's for CPM marketing, but you can use any other affiliate network. In this case, you have to pick a niche. I'm going with health and fitness. You can go with the tech, or you can go with the business. These are the three niche are always tend to sales better than any other niches, guys. So in the health and fitness niche, I'm going with weight loss. Here, instead of promoting one product, I'm gonna try promoting 4 different products using this free organic traffic. So if I go on Clickbank, I typed weight loss, filter through gravity, and these are the first 4 products I tend to sell best on Clickbank, so I want to promote that. So what you have to do, you have to build a simple landing page using free tools like Google site that you can say I didn't write any articles or I didn't make any videos. I just copy and paste the pictures and the title that you can see. This is the first product this is the first product. I copy and paste the image, I copy the title, and I inserted affiliate link on the image and the title. So if I complete, this is my completed version of my affiliate landing page. If they click the pictures, it's automatically take them to Clickbank. They can buy it. I make a commission, straightforward. But now the important part is generating free organic traffic for this landing page. First of all, what you have to do, you have to shorten this URL. So you go to bit.ly and shorten this URLs, because people always say the shortened link is convert best than the long link. So shorten that link. This is the shortened version of the link. Now what you have to do, you have to go to this website. It's called Incrammer.com. Incrammer is an Instagram hashtag generator, AI generator. AI is going to generate a hashtag for you, and you can use the same hashtag on the Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram that you can see. So what you have to do, you need to find a trending hashtag on your niche. So you can see these are the frequent hashtag, these are the average, there's an array. Don't worry, because every single day they give 1 or 2 searches for free. So because I use that search to generate all these hashtags, so I cross the limit. That's why I'm showing you 2 in each section, but otherwise it will show all the result for 1 or 2 searches per day. So you can, if you are new, if you want to use it wisely and use the niche and find all the hashtags. So you can see these are the frequent hashtags like weight loss. The 74 million people are viewing that. Weight loss journey, 43 million. Average, you can see a couple of thousand to 1 million views, and the rare is less than 50,000 views, guys. So that you can see. So you have to select 5 or 10 from each section to combine to make hashtags. So you can use it in all the social media, but you can use the same hashtag on other 2 websites, which I can show you in this video. Now after that, what you have to do, you have to go to Ubersuggest and find a perfect title for your niche. Because I'm in the weight loss, I had to find a perfect title. But you can't write anything that you want, so you have to search it on Ubersuggest or keyword Google keyword analyzer to find a perfect keyword for you. So you can see I used to find how to lose weight fast and the weight loss program. I top 4 in the in front of it, but these people are searching for weight loss program and weight loss without exercise. These are the people are searching for it, so I combined together to make a title. After you did that, you also need to type a description. You can copy and paste the title if you want, or you can go to answer the public and insert your this one called weight loss niche. They give you 3 searches per day for free. Then you can see these are the question people are searching for it, so you can insert these into the description. After you did that, this is gonna look like this is your title, this is your title and description and your hashtag, and this is your affiliate landing page, guys. Now what you have to do, you have to go to the website. Before I show you the two websites, you have to go to Instagram, where we're gonna get free content. We are not going to post anything on the Instagram. If you want, you can do, but we're gonna get free content from Instagram. What you have to do, you have to search your niche on the search bar. In this case, I'm going with weight loss, so I search for weight loss or weight loss before and after. These are the couple of pictures are there, so I can copy and download it or save it on your computer, because you're going to use that image in your next two website, guys. After you did that, what you have to do, you have to go to this website. It's called Pinterest. So you can see this on my Pinterest account. This is, I only have 502 followers, 4K monthly views, but you can see this is a new feature. It's called stories, like a YouTube story or Instagram stories, that you can post a video here. That I post a video, you can see these are the organic impressions and views and click, guys. That you can see these are my other pins that are getting organic traffic every single day. So the key method in Pinterest marketing is you have to post pin every single day. You can post one, if you have a time, at least post 10 pin per day on a different board if you have, or single board that you have, or you have to keep it post every single day. First couple of days you won't see any result, but you start to see it, because Pinterest say that you are active on their platform. They're going to promote your pin to lots of people. So the key in Pinterest is to post lots of content, then they will put your pin into lots of other people. That you can say, this is a simple video, I promoted my YouTube video, you can see 196 views. I already get that from my Pinterest account. That you can see here. If I go to my bottom, there's one product I promoted on Pinterest. You can see this is a yoga things. You can see yoga program I promoted, my ebook. I sold that for $1, £1.50, I think, on eBay. That you can see I have a 2,500 impression, 10 clicks. I already made 3 or 4 sales from it, I think so. So you can get organic free traffic from this website, guys. So the key is posting content every single day. So what you have to do, click this one, create a new pin. After you do that, you already download that pin or save the pin in your computer. So what you have to do, click and copy that, upload it on here. Then what you do, just copy and paste method, guys. Copy your title, put it on here, copy a description and the hashtag, copy it, put it on here, and this is your URL, copy that, put it on here. That's it. And to find the board, I already have a fitness board selected and published it. Now I'm going to keep publishing pin every single day on this board, promoting my landing page. I'm going to publish 10 to 20 pin every single day, guys. You can create this pin. If you don't want, you can go to Instagram, download these pictures, upload it back on your Pinterest, guys, and promote your landing page. People click your link. So for example, this is your pin, and if they click it, and it will automatically take to your landing page. They can click any of those and they can buy it. You can make commission. Now the second website is the one generating over 300 million traffic per month, is Tumblr. On Tumblr, after you create a free account with them, you can post it 2 ways. First, what you have to do, click this called text, and you can add the title here. So what you can do, copy this title, put it on here. On here, you after you put the title on here, you have to click this one link, where you can paste your landing page link. Copy this and paste it on here. And for the description, what you do, copy this, go to Tumblr and put it in your description here. After, for the hashtags, there's a limitation on Tumblr hashtags, but copy this entire hashtag, go to Tumblr, on that hashtag section, click it and put it on here. That's it, guys. Now what you do, click for the link, click insert, and it will insert a preview of your landing page, and click post now, and this post on here. Simple, guys. This is one way. The second way, you can post the photo, the same thing you downloaded from Instagram. Click photo, upload image. This is the image, copy and paste it. Now what you do, you have to give a title. So you can see, click this image, you can give image description, on here, copy that. This is the description, copy it, put it on here, update. Or for the hashtag, what you do, click hashtag here, put it on here. Now what you do, click link button here, where you're gonna get your link, your landing page link, copy it, paste it on here, click insert and click post. Now you can see basically people are seeing this image, seeing the landing page, they will click it and they can go and buy it. So you can use the Tumblr in different ways. You can create a simple video, you can create a code, so you can add anything. Same thing with your Pinterest. Whatever you do there, you just copy and paste it on Tumblr, guys, so you can get additional free organic traffic from it. So I already made a similar videos in the past. Again, guys, the key factor with affiliate marketing is posting content over and over again. It's not like that with the one product you can make millions of dollars. It's not going to happen. So what you have to do, you have to give a value, you have to create contents every single day, and those contents then start to generate free organic traffic months later or years later. From that you can make affiliate commission, guys. So I hope you understand this video. If you really like this video, leave a like and test it out yourself, because it's free and anyone can do it. All the tools, all the website is free. Go and check it out and see what happened, then let me know, guys. Also, if you write me in the comment section where you from, or if you want me to make a videos in a topic, leave me that in the comment section. I will do that for you. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.